Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from Lynn Hall of Veterinary Medicine. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. Indiana Fever head coach and Boilermaker alumni Stephanie White will return to campus February 11th for a presidential lecture series conversation with Purdue President Mung Chiang. White guided the Boilermakers to an NCAA championship in 1999. She will coach superstar Caitlin Clark in a team that will likely garner more attention than any team in WNBA history. Purdue is launching a reimagined construction management technology program in Indianapolis. Offered out of Purdue Polytechnic, the program will help students manage construction projects from the conceptual budgets to day-to-day operations to project turnover and completion right in the heart of Indianapolis. Congrats to Purdue Engineering, recognized at the Indiana State House for 150 consequential years. The state Senate passed a resolution authored and supported by local legislators, with students, staff, faculty, and supporters in attendance. Michelle Thompson, Purdue planetary scientist and expert in space weathering, was one of the first people to analyze samples of asteroid Bennu brought back by the OSIRIS-REx mission. Read the results now on Purdue News. And Purdue's Jeopardy champion Adriana Harmeyer is returning to the airwaves. She will be in the semifinal round of the Tournament of Champions, which started this week. The Purdue archivist won 15 times last spring and is number 13 in all-time winnings with nearly $350,000. Have a great week, and as always, boiler up.